truly believe that in order for me to change some things in my life, kailangan ng isang malaking, like, super big, drastic change. So, kasi I don't want to live in this slump anymore. So, come with me as I fix my life. There's still a lot of things to do, so much. Parang meron ako tatlong basket dito ng mga mix ng damit. Some are clean, some are not. And it's kind of irritating me na. Plus, I have to study for midterms pa. And medyo naubusan na ako ng time. But before that, I am just gonna put my hair sa conditioner and hair treatment. Kasi girl, parang 3 days na akong hindi naliligo. And I kind of don't want that for myself anymore. Well, ang justification ko dyan ay nasa bahay lang naman ako, and most of the time, natutulog lang ako, as in literal na bed rot lang. So, anong point, diba? Anong point ng pagligo? Well, medyo naiit ng sarili ko ngayon. Medyo dugyot na siya, guys. I made my room somewhat decent. Right? Hindi naman siya sobrang ayos, but you know, it's neat enough. So I can work sobrang nicely. Now, I have to take a shower and just go to Lola's house kasi we have to dalaw her. You know, she's not getting any younger and we're not getting any older. Baliktad. I'm not getting any older and she's not getting any younger. So we have to spend quality time naman with our friends and families. And right now, we have to spend time with our family. Yes! Hi guys, I just finished taking a shower. And tapos na ako mag-get ready. Just some very basic, some shirts and shorts. Kasi kila Lola lang naman ang pupuntahin. My skin has not been the best lately. Kaya, huwag na lang. I have only parang moisturizer and sunscreen lang. I don't know if I'm gonna put any more makeup. But maybe, maglalagay ako ng lipstick or something. Para lang hindi ako mukhang, alam mo yan, rise from the dead. I am really tired right now though. Hindi ko mahanap yung lips ko. I'm just gonna be using this one. Sobrang OG nito. If wala kayo sa era nyo, well, you could have been there. Maglalagay lang ako ng konti. For my cheeks and my lips. O diba? Sobrang konti lang, pero grabe ang ganda. Sobrang konti lang nang nilagay ko, pero parang ako si Medusa right now. Parang sobrang blush naman ang person. That would be it! Bye-bye! Hindi pa lang patutuyan ko pa yung buhok ko na. Hindi ko kasi manap yung blower. Grabe na kalat. But I don't think I will. Kasi nakapagpangkaan ko. So, I am now at Lola's house and I'm eating pancit kasi hindi pa ako nagla-lunch. So, it's 3 p.m. Okay, round 2 of our pancit journey. This one is mastic na noodles from Delmas. Yung kanina ay galing Kulas. Lahat leftover. It's honestly really good. I have my Coke with me. Yeah. Hello guys, it's currently Sunday and ito na yung huli ng pag-aayos ko ng buhay ko, but in reality parang hindi ko lang nag-aayos yung buhay ko. Parang wala lang. mas nag-bedrock pa nga ako eh. Anyway, I'm just getting ready kasi we're gonna be going out with my fam. Pero pagpunta lang sila ba? Hello guys, I would probably end this video here kasi feeling ko hindi naman talaga natupad yung kung ano yung unang sinabi ko. Kasi before I told you like, come fix my life with me in a weekend. But then, context lang, before ko magawa yun, before ko actually like magawa yung lahat-lahat ng yun, madami na akong videos na na-film. As in like, I tried sobrang daming times na mag-vlog. I even edited one. Pero hindi siya, alam mo yun, parang hindi ko siya sobrang bet. So anyway, I did that and then, as in ang dami. I would not say na exaggeration, parang mga 10 or 20 or 30. Basta ang daming times ko na nag-film for a video. Anyway, so sobrang daming times na. Isa lang yung theme niya. Ang theme ay making myself be better. Bettering myself. Basta, anything generally related to the betterment of oneself. Tapos, upon making this video, I decided na, like, I thought na, why am I so addicted with the thought of becoming? Like, am I just in love with the thought of becoming that I actually forget to become? Na lahat ng negatives, negative emotions, minus lang, yung kwarto ko na nakita niyo na sobrang dumi. Like, are all of those things not valid? Na parang, yung kwarto ko ba, just because it's super dirty or just because it has some unfolded clothes makes me a failure agad? I thought to myself, and I don't think so. Kasi I feel like it's a cycle. It's a never-ending cycle of wanting to become better. That we forget to appreciate ourselves for the now. So, feeling ko yun yung magiging theme na lang ngayon. Parang appreciating myself for what I am right now. Diba? Parang ang ganda. Wala lang. So that's it.